Welcome. Today we'll be heading to Marcus Garvey Celebration in Aburi, Ghana. Come along with us. We'll be celebrating 137th anniversary of Marcus Garvey's birth. If this is your first time on our channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. For all our returning subscribers, we appreciate you coming back each time to view our videos. Remember to drop a comment in the comment section. We want to know how we are doing. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm so excited because we are looking forward to this great celebration. We are driving from Accra to Aburi, which should be maybe about an half an hour ride, but we just want to show you the beauty of Ghana. It is such a beautiful country. It reminds us so much of Jamaica. And as my husband always say, Jamaica is a smaller Ghana. So we're trying to, as we go by, we'll make one stop to show you a mall. And it's a smaller mall, but it's a nice place to eat and also just to relax before we take our drive up the mountains. So enjoy the view as we go along. Remember to watch the video to the end because you'll be able to enjoy the celebration. I just want to point out the view of the mountains from here. You can look straight ahead and see the houses on top of the mountains. And apparently, this is where many diaspora lives. And this is becoming an haven for diaspora. It's such a beautiful view, and we just love it up there. Stop briefly in Oyarifa Mall, which is located in Oyarifa. It is a 10,000 square feet shopping center and adds to the beauty of this community. And here is a view of the mall. It's a very small one, but it is beautiful. And this is Oyarifa, is also in Accra. The road that we'll take to the Aburi area is also called Oyarifa Road. Now we're heading up the mountain. You can see Accra, where we're coming from on the right. And at night, it's such a beautiful sight because it looks like a Christmas tree with all the lights. So that's a really good lookout point, and I like to see it from all those lookout points. The road is also very, very nice, easy to drive, and well kept. And there again, you can see Accra and the surrounding areas on the right. And the beautiful coconut trees remind me so much of the Caribbean. Aburi is becoming the new diaspora haven. It is 15 feet above sea level. It is also located in the Akuapem Mountains. The Akuapem from Aburi to Akrompong is the third highest human settlement in Ghana. We're now in Mang community, and this is a community in the Ashanti area, one of 43 districts in the Ashanti region, Ghana.
But the God's plan? Nah, man, we were caught. Goddamn. Still made the best of it and we proud, man. Let's not forget where we stand, man. Say it loud, I am proud to be African. Say it loud, I am proud to be African. Say it loud, I am proud to be African. Be African. Love, make some noise for yourselves, y'all. Love, love, love. So this first song that I'll be doing for y'all is called The Shift. Raise the consciousness. This is the shift. Big change, big things, a new phase. Yeah. Big change, big things, a new phase. Yeah. Big change, big things, a new phase. Yeah. A new phase. Yeah. This is the shift. Vibrations in waves. New friends, old friends, call. Accept the red flags for red flags and peels. Don't stick around just to stick around. Let's be real. Trust your intuition and what it's telling you for real. What's the deal? While we kill our own self-worth. Had to ask myself, had to put my own self first. Tired of the self-hurt, so I put in that self-work. Tired of the self-hurt, so I put in that self-work. Tired of the self-hurt, so I put in that. Yeah, this is the shit. Big change, big things, new things. Yeah, big change, big things, new things. Yeah, big change, big things, new things. Yeah, a new phase. Yeah, this is the shit. So welcome to a new age. Aquarius, welcome to a new phase. We changing how we raise, we changing how we do things. Balance in the mood swings, living in a new way. New wave and a new age. New fame and a new way. Keep them was maintained, not looking just to be paid. Fell down so many big change, big things, a new phase. Yeah, big change, big things, a new phase. Yeah, big change, big things, a new phase. Yeah, a new phase. Yeah, this is the shift. Big change, big things, a new phase. Yeah. Big change, big things, a new phase, yeah. Big change, big things, a new phase, yeah. A new phase, yeah. This is the shit. So welcome to a new earth. We manifested this. We changing how we view work. The 9 to 5 ain't it. We tapped into our own work. We owning businesses. We put a mental health work. The paradigm has switched. We owning up to self-work. We learned our lessons quick. We grown and doing self-work. It's a big work. Tap in, turn on, tune in to a new song. Too long, self-hate, long gone is the new dawn. New wave and a new age. New rules that we remade. Old rules need to cremate. Create to the deep break. I told you it's a new day. Told you it's a new way. Told you it's a new wave and a new age. A new day. Shit. We are here for our ancestors. We are here for Marcus Garvey. We are here for Kwame Nkrumah. We are here for Malcolm X. We are here for each other. So let's shift the energy of the world. Let's shift the vibration and raise our consciousness. This is the shift. This is the shift. This is the shift. Love. Thank y'all so much. I don't know if y'all feel a shift in the world happening right now. The vibration seems a bit more like we're trying to come together as a community, right? It seems more like it's almost fear-based. A lot of madness being pumped into the world, a lot of chaos. And so right now we're all here to shift that. We're here to honor our ancestors as well. So I'm gonna need y'all to call out some names of our ancestors and we're gonna say, I say. All right, anybody can call out names. So I'm gonna start. Malcolm X. Ashe. 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 Ashe.
Red. And I was right underneath. So what's explaining now?
Where?
Big change, big things, a new phase, yeah. Big change, big things, a new phase, yeah. Big change, big things.
Since we're in the area, we decided to stop at Rita Marley's Studio One, and this is how it looks. A beautiful compound. We were able to just look over in the area, but it looks really nice from the outside. And across from there, you can see these goblets and all the ceramic items for sale. Such a beautiful sight. I hope you enjoyed our video, and please remember, if you're new here, to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, we really appreciate you. Thanks for coming back. Until next time, safe travels.